now we have a shoulder press, or also an overhead press, so depending on what your gyms actually label it as. So this is going to work your shoulders. Prior to entering the machine, always check your weight and adjust it accordingly. Now, these are smaller muscles, so make sure you do not lift as heavy as you would for larger muscle groups. When you look at this machine, you will have a seat adjustment for this. So you're going to lower and rise. This is all based on height. So if you're shorter, you're going to go up higher. And if you are taller, you're going to be lower. Because once you actually have a seat in the machine, you want the handlebars close to the shoulder line. So go ahead and have a seat into the machine and see if your shoulders are in a good alignment there. And those look good because you don't want them too low. It'll injure your shoulders when you go to press upward. The cool thing is with most shoulder machines, if you're nervous because you've had a previous shoulder injury, I would not advise holding on the outward handles. You may use the inward handles. So there's two. This will actually bring your arms in a little bit closer and not put so much pressure into your shoulder joint, but you can still work. It'll work a little bit more of the front shoulders if there's an injury. Otherwise, the standard shoulder press is handles out to the side, again, aligned by your shoulder, and you're going to gently press upward. So extensions never lock out a joint during exercises, but just pressing gently up, controlling on the way down. You never rest the plates during this motion.